Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very nice fitness bra for you, and also I'm making this from a leggings. So I have this leftover pieces from my leggings that I made a video on how to make a tummy slimmer. So I have these pieces from leggings, and this is skin color leggings, but you can use any color. But when it comes to inner wear, just try to use skin color fabric. And then I'm going to cut it from the middle because I need only one piece for it.